Okay, we're going to show you how to apply Foil Junkie nail wraps using a hair dryer. Very simple instructions. First, push back your cuticles using an orange stick. Second, shape your nails. Then buff your nail. Remove all the shine from the nail. Then, using rubbing alcohol, clean the nail. Remove all the moisture from the nail. Pull the white scrap off that surrounds the foils. Select the foil that best fits your nail. Then heat the foil up with your hair dryer. Once the foil's been warmed, remove it from the backing. Apply it to your nail. Using your thumbs, just rub it. Make sure there's no bubbles or wrinkles. Using your nail file, long downward strokes, file up the excess. Okay, there is the same exact instructions for your fingers. Simply push back your cuticles. Shape your nail. Buff your nail. Clean your nail with rubbing alcohol. Select the foil that best fits your nail. Warm it up with your hair dryer. Remove from backing. Apply pressure. Just rub it with your finger till it's nice and secure. File off the excess. That's it.